If you're struggling to access what's in your truck bed or just looking for an easier way to load and unload cargo, the Bed Step by AAM Research is the perfect solution. This innovative bumper step is designed to make accessing your truck bed a breeze. It's made from a high-strength aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Plus, it has a non-slip surface to provide excellent grip, even in wet conditions. One of the standout features of the AAM Research Bed Step is its unique flip-down design. Whenever you need to use it, simply give it a gentle kick and it will effortlessly extend down. And it can handle up to 300 pounds, so you don't have to worry about it bending or breaking. The Bed Step also works perfectly with or without a trailer hitch, so whether you're towing or not, you can still enjoy the convenience of this step. It mounts directly to your truck's bumper, providing easy access to your truck bed, toolbox, or cargo. If you are interested in purchasing the Bed Step by AAM Research or looking to have one installed, check out the store locator on screen or in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage. But until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.